second cast of the day at the home lake. Ooh, that's a nice one there. There we go. Nice first fish of the day at the home lake. It's not a bad one there for a first fish. Get him back in. So today at the home lake, we're kind of going for, like last time, a little bit of everything. So hopefully we can catch a variety today. Second fish. This one is out deep. It's summertime, they're going to be deep. Or shallow, it depends where the bait's at. Oh, you're fighting good. There we go. Nice one there, really nice fish. Nice second fish of the day. All right, guys. Nice second fish of the day. Put up a really good fight. Really nice fish. Let's get him back in. Nice, like 15-incher. Nice. Another one, guys. Right after the one I just casted. I just casted where he was. And nice, nice. That's 3 already, which is very good, especially for July. All right, guys, another one, another stocky bass. We'll get him in. Nice, nice fish. Ooh, ooh, that fish. He got a big bluegill on, I think, guys. Trolling now. Like I said, we're going for a little bit of everything today, like last time. But I'm not going to keep anything today. Or it's only a perch. Yep, big. Wow, that's a big one there. Yeah, that's a good one there. That's a really good fish. Yeah. Good one there. Nice fish. Good one, guys. Seems like another perch. I got a lot of hits actually in there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, it's a bluegill this time. I've kind of figured out. I knew we were gonna get the bluegill eventually. It's a nice one there. That's a good, like, good keeper. We're throwing them all back today. Better hitting now. I got a lot of hits. You can tell the bluegill there's just nipping at it. Oh, this might be a perch. Who knows? Yep, perch. I figured the way you hit it. Wow. That's a nice one, though. We're getting a lot nicer ones than last time. Nice perch on the troll. Get them in. Every troll, guys, I've been getting them. This is a little better bluegill now. A little bit better. There we go. Alright, let's see if we get any more. I'm just marking them on the fish finder, guys, and just trolling through them. Either they want drop shot or troll. It seems like they like a little bit of everything. Well, just trolling, I mean. This fish feels a little better. Whoa. Oh, that's a bigger bluegill, that's why. Wow, you throw it. That's a nice one there. It's a real good one, the size of my hand. Get them in. Nice. This one feels pretty decent too. Probably another bluegill. Yeah, another nice one now. Now we're getting the nice ones. Yeah, that's a big one there. Another big one. Get them in. Alright, another nicer fish. Yeah, it seems like we're getting the nicer ones now. Probably another big bluegill, I'd imagine. Wow! Another big one. That's a really big bluegill. Man, they freaking want this thing. I'm actually seeing little clusters of bait on the surface. Like you see the little wakes. Nice. Another nice fish. Once it comes to the surface, or a perch. It was a weird hit. No, you hooked right on top of the mouth. Ooh, look at that one, guys. That's a nice one there, trolling. There we go, spin them in. But basically, guys, what I'm doing is basically just finding these fish, marking them, and either drop something on their head or troll something in their face. And it seems like today, they want that troll with that little swim bait. Because I'm seeing little wakes of little fish. It's funny how there's no bass though, it's just bluegill and perch. And there's probably some bass mixed in, but there's probably a lot more perch than bluegill. So that's basically what I'm doing, guys. And it's working really good. Like there's one on the top here. There's a little bit everywhere. Let's see if we get any more. Boom, here we go. This one hit it pretty good. And I would use like a medium light troll too, because you never know what you're gonna get. Even if you're catching bluegill and perch. You might catch a pike or a bass or a walleye. Ooh, another really nice perch. Man, I could be freaking killing these fish, put them on the stringer, but I'm choosing to release them. There we go. That's a good one there. Yeah, yes. That's a very nice fish. Almost like the size of a bass, honestly. This thing thumped it, guys. I mean, he freaking thumped it. Finally, oh, that's another perch. That's why he freaking hit it. Yeah. There we go. Nice. Another, like, that's like an 11-inch perch. Nice. Ooh. Wait a minute, this is a huge perch. Oh, it's a big bluegill. Wow. That thing freaking... thing felt huge. I mean, that's like over a 10-inch bluegill. Easy. Look at that thing. Huge. Huge fish. Another one, I mean, this is just freaking really good, especially for like July. Actually, it's almost a 4th. Real big bluegill. All big bluegill, guys. I mean, that's a really big bluegill. That's like an over a 10-inch bluegill. Get them back in. This is what happens when you match the hatch, guys, with anything. Not just this, but trout, bass, perch. Well, what I'm doing now, perch and bluegill, but and they're a big one. Wow. But when you match a hatch, you kill the fish. That's what they want. And if you're using what they want, you destroy them. It kind of makes sense. It's actually a little smaller one. Get them in. But yeah, guys, it's phenomenal. There we go, guys. Let's see if this is a bluegill. I'm gonna say this is probably a bluegill. Yeah, yep, this is a bluegill. He's pinwheeling. Big bluegill. Wow. That's a pretty nice bluegill if he's deep throwing a swim bait. Look at that thing. Big. It's the size of my hand. That's a friggin' big bluegill. You can see it that well, but make sure your line goes over those fish. Like, go for a little bit until you know that your lure is over those fish. That's the most important thing. Because some people realize they mark it, you're like, oh, those fish going like by my lure now. No, they're right here. Your lure's not going to hit them for a little bit yet. So some people think that. It depends how far your line's back too. It could take a little while. So there we go. Still marking them pretty good. Oh yeah. Nice getting these big bluegill in a lake. He's done. Again, that's like a, no, that's a nice one. His mouth is all screwed up. Someone caught him before. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, or something got him in the mouth. He's still feeding good. There we go. There we go. It doesn't look like it to you guys, but actually I didn't get any hits at you for a little bit. And now I have one on. Like I said, for you guys, it doesn't look like it. It looks like I'm catching one after another, but this one's actually a little bit afterwards. There we go. There we go. That's a nice one. Nice, but they're all good keepers. I mean, heck, I wanted a fish fry tonight. We're grilling some fish. This is the freaking, these are the ones to keep. I could have kept them today. I could have kept a lot, but I chose not to. Fish feels pretty good, guys. I actually bumped in a little bit. As soon as I did, I got this guy. This guy feels pretty decent. He hit pretty good too. Wow. Wow. Wow, that's a big bluegill. That's a really big one. Holy crap. That's probably a pound. A pound. Yeah, that's probably close to a pound. Wow. Let me get one hooked. Holy jeez. Fish is literally the size of my hand. That thing is big. Another decent one on. This one feels different. Could be a bluegill who's acting weird. Probably a nice one. Oh my god, it's a pumpkin seed. First pumpkin. Wow, that thing is fat. Yeah, pumpkin seeds don't fight us much. Holy crap. Look how fat that thing is. It's all eggs. What I learned about pumpkin seeds is they hit hard, but they don't fight. Seems like we're getting the bluegill now, well, the whole time now. I haven't got a perch in a long time. Oh, big bluegill. Wow, that's a giant. Look at that thing. That is a big fish. Really big fish. Well, just bumping in a little bit makes a difference. Because now I'm getting them. Now, I was out farther actually in the beginning, guys. Getting them good. It kind of slowed down a little bit. Wow. Wow. Wow, he's fighting good. Wow. That thing is big. Wow. Holy criminies. Wow, look at that thing. That thing is huge. Really big. Let's get him in. Alright, this one doesn't seem huge. Oh, he's a nice one. He's fighting, not really fighting for a bluegill. There we go. Wow. Yeah. Ooh, look at that. Something, probably a pike got him or something. I'll try getting him. That's a big pike. If he's trying to eat this guy. I'm gonna get him unhooked, guys. This guy's hooked like really, really good. Alright, guys. I think that's probably gonna be it. I'm gonna try a little bit more here, but still really good day. I'm not even marking as many now, but where do they go? I have no idea. I mean, I'm gonna try out far just to see, but it's still a really, really good day with the freaking troll. I mean, the troll bite was phenomenal, but we keep trying. I'm gonna try going out farther and see if I mark any. We'll see what happens, but I think we're pretty much done for today. Oh, wait a minute. Wait. I just got a hit. Oh, like a little guy, though. It's a little hit. Got him. Oh, look at that. I don't think this one's really... I don't know. I mean, he seems pretty nice. They're just not biting as much as they were. I might still get them here and there, but it's definitely slowed down. Oh, it's a perch. Wow. Finally caught a perch. It's been a while, actually. Oh my god. A pike has my perch, guys. Oh my god. I hope my GoPro got that on film. Oh my god. That's a first. I don't have a net. I'm not going to get this fish. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, he came off now. That was phenomenal. I don't know if you guys seen that or not. Oh my god. I think it was a pike. Wow. That's a big perch. Holy crap. I don't know if you guys... I saw just something just dart. Wow. I mean, that's like almost a jumbo perch. Oh my god. He was on there too. Wow. I knew he was going to eat this guy whole. I mean, that's a big perch, but... Wow, I wish I got that. I don't know if I got that on film though, guys. You guys might have seen it. Wow, and that's a nice perch. My goodness. There he goes. Wow. So they say it's slowing down, and now I got another one. What is in there, a perch? He hit this thing pretty good. I can't believe that. I don't know if that was a pike or a walleye or even a bass. I mean, that was a big perch too. I don't know. I mean, I will tell when I look at the video. That's a nice bluegill. There you go. Maybe the pike will try getting him. Wow. I'm actually shocked we didn't catch a pike trolling. Yo, I don't know how many fish I caught today. A lot. I caught a lot. That's what it is. Big bluegill. Maybe another pike will get him. I said I'm shocked that never happened to me earlier. Like, I mean, many times. So I got a lot of panfish out of this lake. And there's pike in here. That never happened to me, which is shocking. There we go. Wow. Oh, big bluegill. There we go. What a nice fish. Man, they love this thing today. Wow. A giant bluegill. That is a giant, man. Gosh, this is something different. Oh, it's a bass. Finally something else. I knew we had to get something. Something else other than bluegill and perch. Now we got a bass. See, this gets you everything. Oh, here he's gonna jump. That's a nice one too. You know we had to get something. Oop. Still not giving up. That is a really nice fish. Actually, biggest fish of the day. That's a really nice one. Got a wound here. There we go. Nice. I thought it was gonna be done a while ago. That is a nice bass. There he goes. Okay guys, done now. What a great day of fishing it was. A lot of nice, big bluegill perch. That's how I get them. I like to troll for the big ones. With little swim baits, I mean, that's how I got them. I mean, it was better than live bait. I mean, geez, they wanted that little profile. You have to see what they're hitting. And if you find out, that's what they want. I mean, you'll kill mine. You'll kill mine like how I did today. And I caught a lot of fish today, a lot of fish. A couple of nice bass in the beginning, which is nice, but just really nice bluegill and perch. I cannot complain about today. A really good day, especially for right before the 4th of July. And there's nobody out here, which is really nice. That's kind of rare, but using small swim bait, trolling, and the big thing, guys, is using fish finder. You have, I mean, if you really know a lake really well, you don't need one, but it really helps you out to find these fish. I mean, it's not going to help you catch them, it helps you find the fish. I mean, of course, it helps you, helps you catch them. There's a lot of times I marked fish, I didn't get them, but on a day like today, to try trolling and finding them, it's really nice to have that fish finder. It makes life a lot easier. But anyways, guys, great day of fishing, beautiful day out on the home lake, and yeah, just a great day of panfish. I mean, I could have kept a lot, some really nice bluegill. I mean, they were really, I mean, a lot of them were over 10 inches, easy over 10, like 11-inch bluegill. But great day, guys, and hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Later, guys.